How do I know if I have a medical malpractice case? Well, to begin with, to have a medical malpractice case, you must start with a serious injury. No matter what the doctor or the hospital or the nurse did, without a serious injury, you do not have a medical malpractice case. Once you know that there's a serious injury or perhaps even death, the question then becomes, did the doctor or the hospital or the nurse depart from good and accepted standards of medical care? Well, what is that? What is medical malpractice? Medical malpractice is lack of ordinary care. That means the doctor or the nurse or the hospital departed from good and accepted standards of medical practice. Once that departure can be established, and it's typically done by expert testimony, we then look to see if that departure caused a serious injury or even death. If that is the case, you have a medical malpractice case, and the doctor and the hospital and the nurse perhaps is liable for whatever damages or injuries they have caused. Every case is different. If you think you've been injured as a result of medical malpractice, feel free to call us. Sometimes we can't tell you right off the bat, we have to get the records, but once we look at the records, we'll be able to tell you very clearly if medical malpractice has occurred.